and welcome to the 15th week of Pick of the Week. I'm your host, Maura Schlecht. Let's take a look at where our student and teacher team stand. The student team is now 17-11 after going 2-0 last week with the Cowboys beating Washington and the 49ers holding up against the Bengals. The teacher team is now 16-11 and 1 after going, of course, 1-1 last week with the Steelers getting destroyed by the Vikings and the Panthers not being able to defeat the Falcons.
I'm not entirely certain who let you out of the recycling bin the last time, but I'm fairly certain you need to remain there because these picks have been a disaster. So just sit there and think about it while I pick the Bucks and the Texans.
All right, today I'm here with Nick. It's just Nick. He doesn't have a last name.
Yeah, I'm just Nick.
It's Nick. We have the Packers versus the Ravens. Who are we taking?
Obviously the Ravens. You know, even with Lamar injured, I still have faith in the O-line. But
Maybe Lamar just has to take a dump and then he'll come back in the Green Bay game and then he'll just go off like he did the last time.
I have faith. He might be a little constipated. He needs to get it out of the system. But yeah, we'll see.
He gets it out of the system. He's all good. He's back in style. He'll be running around the field like nothing ever happened. Next game is the Titans versus Steelers. Who are we taking?
I'm going to have to go with the Titans.
I vote the Titans too, just because Mara's a Steelers fan.
I hate the Steelers too, as a Ravens fan, but
they go on and on about
they
go on and on about them Super Bowls they won all the way back in the day. They don't matter now. Same with you Cowboys fans. Get over it. You guys suck.
That's it for this week of Pick of the Week. Have a great Thursday.